Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71 and let me show you how to activate easy mode on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to locate and open display, and then scroll a bit lower where you will notice easy mode tab. Just click on it, and if you'd like to activate simple home screen layout with bigger on-screen items and larger touch and hold delay, just click on easy mode here. And now, as you can see, it's active. You can personalize it here. You can change the contrast here. Just pick the one that you would like to have. These are all the possibilities. For example, let me leave this one. And also you can touch and hold delay, change so it can be medium. And this is it. As you can see, now you're in easy mode. The letters, the icons are way bigger and you can use it comfortably. Then if you would like to switch off this mode, open the apps one more time. Find and pick the settings, they are right here. Go to display, now scroll down, and once you see easy mode, smoothly switch it off by tapping on this icon. And that's it. As you can see, now you're in normal mode, in basic one, and you can use your device in this mode. So that would be all. This is how you can activate easy mode in your Samsung Galaxy A71. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.